Assalamu alaikum, brother Umar. This is Nathan here. I just want to do this quick video to do a walkthrough of what to expect for the plain date application. I appreciate the designs you have done so far, and uh, they are looking much better from the previous one. So, just to give you a quick walkthrough, plain date, it's a dating application. And it's a little bit different in the sense that it actually matches people who are traveling or in commuting by air, through airports, by train, and by public transportation, and uses geolocation API to connect people based on their interest. So these are some of the designs that I sent to you earlier. Um, this is this screen right here is the screen where when people launch the app for the first time, they will see um, the explanation or the walkthrough screens about what this app is about. Okay, so as you can see, this will be basically before, if they're not a member, they'll see this explanation that shows people what the app is about. Um, all right, and then this is the sign up flow. That is, if they're not a member, this would be the sign up flow. Um, pardon the this. Okay, you can hide it. So the sign up flow, we're looking to allow people to sign in or sign up with their Facebook or Instagram, and if they don't have either of the two, then they can use their email. And this is the sign up flow. So the sign up flow with a select Facebook, they can continue with Facebook and log in. And this is when they don't have this right here is when they don't have an email. So this would be the sign up with email flow. And this is the sign up with the Facebook or social media. So Facebook, Instagram. So this should really be Instagram, not Twitter. Okay. All right. And then this screen right here is basically um, the profile page, their name. Here they can click on this button, and a modal window opens up where they can either select a picture that they have in their camera roll, or they can take a picture right there and save it as their profile. And they can put in their basic information, their name, and everything, a phone number. If they use the Facebook or social media, it will pull in the name, date of birth, and all that information in. They can create a password. Like I said, this button here, when you click on this, should allow you to go to the photo library or to take a photo. So you go to photo library, you select the photo you want, and then you take a photo. So that's this screen. And then we go to the settings. So the settings screen, this is obviously um, where they can set their discovery settings, who they are, their interest, their location, and they can set up their payment methods. Um, they can turn on privacy or turn off privacy. The payment method, try to make this look more appealing than just leaving all these white spaces. Payment methods, they should be able to like have a credit card form or debit card form, to fill up this place or set up a new payment. The process of setting up a new payment for the app, and then this is the navigation. I think you pretty much did a good job there. My computer keeps free. Yep. So this is like the hamburger menu. When you tap on it, it gives you all these um, options. And then we look at the messaging. So we go to the next. which is the messaging. I don't know why it takes forever. So this messaging is supposed to show us, the different modes of messaging. This is like all your messages from different members in the app, and you can click on this to compose a new message, this icon, or in this case, you can tap one message and it brings you here, and you can show the exchange. So this is when you can see the chat transcript. Over here, we see before you enter a message, when you tap into this uh, type box, it pulls up the key, the virtual keyboard, so you can start typing. And also, we have a search box here that you can search through the message area. So that's what this one is. And then I believe we have this screen, which is for contacting support, um, to sending feedback or emailing people within the app. So basically, put in your email address, and then you can save the draft that is here. The calendar is for like reminders. I know you copied this like Kraken startup meeting, and you just repeated it all over. But make it more like talk about stuff with dating. So this startup meeting, we can say, um, you know, you can say meeting Mary, something like that. Um, to make it nice. Um, I use a template, but that doesn't mean we should use the same thing. We can say um, first date, something like that. To make it nice. This you can say like weekend party. So you create that, and then this is typical notifications. Um, I guess I have to provide the relevant notifications here. Um, and then let's see. With that, we have this screen using geolocation. The purpose of this screen is to show you uh, dates, potential dates near you. So this is what we call, this screen here is the map view. The map view, in this case, when you tap on the pin drop, it will show you the tooltip, which has data in it about the person. So if I tap this, it should give me um, the tooltip of the person's name and the name and location, and that should also reflect here. If I tap on Matt, the picture here should be Matt. If I tap on Samantha, so we made a mistake. So this should actually be Samantha, like that. So that is and the image also needs to change accordingly. So ideally, let's see, we can go here. Well, I guess let me X out of this. So what we do is we can copy this image, go out, look at this, and look at the properties of that one. So it's 45 by 45, 71. 45, 45, 71. All right, so I can delete this and then paste this and go in here and say 7, 1, and it's 45, 45. and then X out and X out. So when I tap on this tooltip, it should correspond to who's here, right? And when I tap on this, it should go to their full profile. This is like a list view. So instead of having, so in reality, a list view should show me, um, should be like that. And it should show me everybody that is in the, I think, yep, in the area. So we have the map view and we have the list view. When you tap on each one, like an accordion, when you tap on each profile, you can read about them and get to know more about them. Let's see. Now with this, um, I guess you just use the Walmart, but this is supposed to be, think of Groupon. So this we want to use like coupons or offers that are relevant. Say, people want to take their boyfriend or girlfriend to like a restaurant. So yes, I have Walmart here, but that is a bad example. We should not be using Walmart. Foot Locker is a shoe shop, so that's nice. Saks Fit is nice. We can have hotels. So think about Groupon deals that, or deals that can be placed here based on the location. That, so the point is, if um, I find a date, let's say somebody that I find here, where is it? Oops. So if I find a date, the goal is I find a date, I can have social deals like from Groupon. So definitely want to change out Walmart. I probably should send you a list of some high end, places that you want to go on a date. Definitely not Walmart. So probably you have to change these images out. Um, let's see. Shop. Well, I'll look at do that later. Um, so I just have to provide the. So the goal is I can click on Saks Fit, which is like a very expensive store, and click on that and set up a date to go with my girlfriend there. And so that's what this is the icon, a map icon. So if you click on this is a list view, and when you click on it should give you a map view that will show the deals near you as pin drops, similar to something like this. So maybe I have to, if I need to, I may have to draw that as well for you. So this needs to be fixed. This is the list view. If I click on this, it should give me the map view with the pin drops of all the deals around me, and it will have like the list, which is one, two, three, like a hamburger. If I click on that, that should switch over to um, this list view. And when I click on this map, it will bring me the map view. So right now, this is a list view. When I click on this, it should give me the map view, which will have a different icon here. The icon here should look something like, lack of a better example, should look something like this, right? So, because that's like a list, or yeah, something like this with dot dot dot, and that to represent a list or list view. So that's something that needs to be worked on. Now, with this screen, we're thinking about something dynamic to show the different modes. Currently, you have it as date, travel buddy, and network. That's not bad, but I think I'll show you another video of what I was trying to capture. It's the same thing. Um, Here is still the dates near me. So this is my attempt to show you the list. This is when you are in the list, list view or list mode, which will list all the people around you. And this will be the map view that shows you all the people around you. And I think I have messed up again. Okay, so that's it for now. Um, close this. Okay, and then we come here. So again, I know you've changed all this. This video is coming a little late. There's so much white space. Now you've done it well. It has the iPhone 10 display, which is nice. You make it more rich. There's just way too much white space. Way too much white space. It needs to be very well balanced. Uh, Obviously, this is like cycling through these ellipses. hmm Um, this one, I don't even know why we created a screen. We may have to remove it. Um, Again, we can make this is like so much white space. Like the golden ratio, this has to be a little bit bigger. These move up and centered, but I mean, all this you've changed, so that's a good thing. Um, yeah. So from what you have now, like, see the buttons are not very nice. The and the white on white is just bad. You need, very nice gradients, and leaving this blank like that is not good. Um, you can use your creativity, uh, showing that when you click the add button, it should show you like forms, the credit card form here, the numbers, the expiration, the CVV, and zip code, and then add it to the card. You know, um, like here you did this, but you didn't finish the other one. Um, and the hamburger menu is not, you cannot tell, like, this is just like, you cannot tell the difference between this and that and that. It's like they're all just white space with just text and arrow. You have to be able to see the boundary or the borders around it so that it comes out really nicely. All this. But again, and this is supposed to be messaging. We don't even see the message box. We don't see the send. That was not well done at all. And I know you can do better than this. And this doesn't do justice to show a flow of messages, like the bubbles, the message area, but we don't have that here. Of when it's in, you have to have more messages here. And again, the diversity. We can have some Asians, we can have some African, we can have some Pakistani, some, not just all Caucasians. Um, anyway, so again, this I already went through. Um, Now I can walk you through. Yeah, Walmart definitely. We should have, you know, like hotels, like high-end restaurants, not just Walmart, Walmart, Walmart. And so I can provide those images for you, um, because something like this, the goal is when someone, when you should be able to go from, you know, so this when I tap on this, I should be able to see her the mini how do you call it, profile card here, and then when I tap on that, then that should give me this, you know. So this is stuff that I have to walk through with you. um like, this is nice, but that's to all flow with the color scheme that we are working with to make it all nice. So here, you know it's a little hard to show you, but that is what we're going for. um hmm. I don't know what balsamic that I'm using, and my computer is slow again. So I'm gonna close this, and then let me look at plain date. Maybe I have. It's pretty simple, but there's a lot of moving parts that makes it even better. hmm hmm Pardon all this. This is I don't know. It looks like I may have opened the wrong. If it's the wrong one, I'll get the right one. Mhm. I don't know why my computer keeps behaving this way, but that's not good. Because this is still the same thing you sent me before. Again, so far what you have now is much better. This is definitely not good. It's too weak. You cannot even tell. This is what we call Daif UI. We need Sahi UI, which is authentic and exciting and beautiful. You know. So I already went through this. So you know, again, using white on white is not a good idea. It makes it hard to tell which is which. And now we don't know which button is active and all that. So this we already went through, so I'm not going to waste too much time on that. Um, I think this is what I should have been going through. Okay, so let's